So ladies and gentlemen, I use the tip of the brush. I start with the tip, and then from my crown out, I pull out just like this. So I don't turn the brush sideways. That's too many bristles dragging across the pattern. You know, so I start here and I'm basically using this much of the brush right here. So, and then I'll just pull out, straight out. Now when I get here, then I turn and then continue. YouTube is going on, man. It's nice swag. Welcome back to another video. Man, I want to take this time to say thank you all for being patient with me. I'm sorry about the long return. I just had surgery in my mouth, 8 teeth removed. Life's been happening, man, but I'm back. Thank you all for clicking on this video. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. Today we're gonna get a brush session in, man. I miss being on here. I missed you guys. Hope y'all miss me. If you like the video, please like the video. Comment, let me know how you feel. And let's get into it. Let me show y'all what I'm looking like. We're gonna get it in. It's good to be back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we're looking like, man. Today we'll start off with a medium by Brush King. We'll continue with a medium soft. I love this brush. And then we'll polish and lay everything down with a soft brush as well. And then as always, plastic bagging. If you got your brush, get your brushes, let's get it in. I hope you like today's video. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I use the tip of the brush. I start with the tip, and then from my crown out, I pull out just like this. So I don't turn the brush sideways. That's too many bristles dragging across the pattern. You know, so I start here and I'm basically using this much of the brush right here. So, and then I'll just pull out, straight out. Now when I get here, then I turn and then continue. I take it from the crown, straight out. Crown, straight out. Now for my crown, I'll show you. I start with the point, then I'll pull out. Start right there, then I pull out. Straight out. Just like that. Now we basically got done with that brush. Let's continue with the medium soft and we'll finish. Ladies and gentlemen, the more you brush your hair, the better your waves will become. Consistently brushing will enhance and develop further your waves. The more you brush, the more your waves will form. Whatever way you brush is the way your waves will form. Always use a mirror. Always be very careful with your brush, always. so many benefits for keep brushing your hair. The natural sebum from your scalp will be released. It will coat your hair. It will develop. You need to get down to the bottom layer, man. I've been waving off and on since I was about 10, 12 years old. Seriously. I just love waves. I love brushing. How do you get waves? Grab a brush and brush your hair, whichever way you desire. Me, I love my 540, so. And if you want, ladies and gentlemen, why not? Let's add a little combing into it. You obviously know the benefits of combing. Gets down to the bottom layer, it pulls your hair, it will direct your hair. Brushing will make the waves come in, combing will line them up, redefine them, and I mean, some people comb more than they brush. Combing helps a lot. Combing has a lot of benefits. Grab your comb with me, let's get it. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you were wondering, this is a tool structure comb. Tool structure. Has like the teeth, the double side, see? And all I'm doing is combing exactly like our brush. That's it. Just like that. See? All right, ladies and gentlemen, now that we got the combing, let's grab our softie, also by Brush King, shout out to BK, and let's finish and lay everything down. Ladies and gentlemen, soft brushing will lay, obviously, as I just stated before, will lay the pattern down. It will add shine to your waves. It will add definition to your waves. It will coat your waves from the session you were just doing with the sebum, as you can see. Just like that. Exactly the way that I've been brushing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, got that all laid down, all wrapped up. Grab our plastic bag as always, and let's get to work. Man, that was so good, ladies and gentlemen. Let's rag up. After every session, when you are done, you want to rag up. This will save your progress. It's just like a memory card in a video game. When you hit the level and you're about to beat the boss, you want to save your progress. You don't want to start it all over. You don't want to lose the steps you just took, so you want to save it. Let's get it. On the cap, that adds double compression. We'll further lay down the pattern. Then we take our ties as always. That's how you get it done, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and I want to thank every last one of you for tuning into this video. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow so much. Thank you all. Please comment, tell me how you like this video, and keep it locked for the next one. God bless.